Hello, so I made this little vest sweater thing for my Beanie Boo, so I would like to show you how I made it. Here we go. Oh, dang it. So what you're going to need is a sock. I have this one that was too small for me that I found in my drawer. And then the pen. You need a pen to mark some things. And scissors. I have these really sharp sewing scissors, but you really don't need them like that heavy duty. Just get whatever you can find. And so first what you're going to do is cut off about an inch of the socks where your leg would go, like the leg hole, that's what that's called. Just cut as straight as possible would be best. So yeah. And then we're going to try it on the Beanie Boo to see if it fits, just to make sure. If it doesn't, you can make modifications by sewing it. Luckily mine did fit, so that was good. Some of the Beanie Boos I tried, it didn't fit, and I had to modify it by sewing it to make it smaller. But yeah, for this one it did fit. So I'm marking where the top of the legs are, and that pen marking does not show up on camera, but it's there. And so I'm marking off where the shoulder things are. And then you just peel that off, and so you can only cut the top layer. If you cut both, there are going to be holes where the back are. And I had trouble finding where my lines were. I guess maybe I wasn't marking them. Anyways, you just fold it in half, and then, oh, okay, more trying it on. So you fold it in half, and then cut there to be the same width of the Beanie Boo's leg, because that's how sleeves work. So yeah, it was having a little bit of a struggle with like knots, but I cut those off and it was fine. And so I have that hole. I need to make another one. So we'll just make sure that matches up where the leg, and then see where the other one should be. Okay, so now I have two. Yes, two holes. I'm showing them off. And you just place them on the Beanie Boo. That's what that's called. And then you put the legs through the holes, and they should get through. It is a little bit tricky, but not too hard. And then you just pull it up, and voila! It's beautiful. It's a beautiful little vest sweater thing. Don't know what to call it.